Forget spending a fortune on takeout that leaves you feeling heavy. What if I told you that the secret to perfectly fresh, vibrant spring rolls, bursting with flavor, is actually hiding in your own kitchen? Today, we're diving into making incredible vegetarian spring rolls that are perfect for home cooks, students, and anyone wanting a quick, healthy, and unbelievably tasty meal. You'll be shocked at how simple these are to assemble and how much better they taste when you make them yourself. Many people struggle with dry fillings or rice paper that tears, but we'll conquer those common challenges together. The key is in preparing your fresh ingredients. Think thinly sliced carrots, crisp cucumber, fresh herbs like mint and cilantro, and crunchy lettuce. We'll even add some rice vermicelli for a satisfying bite. Don't worry about complicated cooking. These are all about fresh prep. The magic truly happens when you learn the right way to soften your rice paper wrappers. Just a quick dip, not a long soak. Then it's all about stacking your vibrant veggies and rolling them up tightly, creating those beautiful, translucent packages. In just minutes, you'll have a platter of healthy, colorful spring rolls that taste like sunshine. They're an amazing appetizer or light meal that's naturally gluten-free and packed with goodness. Want more amazing, easy recipes just like this one? Then you'll love my next video linked right here.